So here I am back at the old window frame. I got it kind of glued up in the corners here so it's held together better. It's going to get some screws in it too to put the old frame back together again. And I'll tell you what, by the time I get this all fixed up, it's going to look really, really good. I know you can't tell it now, but it will in the future. I've got an old piece of glass that came out of it. It's got a broken corner, but I don't care about that. I guarantee you the blacksmith shop is not airtight, so I don't worry about that at all. What I'm going to do is clean out these edges. Make sure there's no pins in it. Sometimes they have those little diamond-shaped pins that hold the glass in, but there's none here. Just make sure that this extra crud off of it, extra caulking that went into it years and years and years ago. Get that cleaned out. Screwdriver. Okay, glass is ready to go in. Later on, I'm going to come back and take the glass out, paint this inside part, just give it a good service to last maybe a while, and just let that back in. It might be a little awkward to get it, but I think I'll get it in there. There it goes. Now, once it's in the frame, what I want to do then is to take these little clips that actually hold the glass in. You can see it's very small, and it's got little edges where you can push it in with a screwdriver to actually hold it in the frame. And that way later on you can come back and you can do your caulking if you want to, or you can do your glazing, window glazing. So I'm going to push that in, the screwdriver edge. So that's going to hold it there. Got one over here too. And the screwdriver just pushes it in. Yep, like that. Now that one's in too. And I think I'll put one on the top and the bottom too. Get a little bit higher there. There it is. A little bit of a shape. I think they're called push points. I'm not sure about that though. Putting in, whoop, lost that one. Try again. They're very tiny, very small. There it goes. Yeah, that one's in. I think I'll do one more in a box. Hope you have a clear view of this so you can see what I'm actually doing. I know they're tiny, but they're meant to be that way. Just push it down into wood. And there it is. I've got 4 little points into it now, so it's held in firmly. And that way I can get back to it later and I can do the glazing on it or the caulking, whichever I decide to do. And anyway, that's how you put glass back in an old frame. So here we go. Okay, here I am again. We had a brief thunderstorm this morning and it's passed, and I'm gotten back to the window again, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some work on it now, replacing another pane of glass. As you can see, I painted the inside of the frame here where the glass is going to go. It's all painted and primed and ready to go. So I'm ready to put this one back in again. So I'm going to do the same thing I did yesterday. I'm going to get the little pins and get them in and get it set here where it's supposed to be and get it caulked around. And let me show you some caulking today. I have good close vision, but not very good far vision, so got to get rid of my glasses sometimes. I'm sure a lot of people watching this video about my age are the same way. I also have close up and far vision. Gotta get it just right in there though. Don't have it falling out or falling through. There we go. Okay, got it positioned. Now use my little pins again. You can either take a putty knife or a screwdriver to put these little tiny pins in. They're very, very small and tiny though. A little awkward. Here we go. Ah, lost it. Try it again. And I'm going to use my putty knife. Over to the side. Get it right position. Press it in. Just kind of wiggle it in there in the soft wood. There it is for that side. We'll get one over here too. Yep, that looks good. So I'm going to get this one in as well. There it is. Just kind of wiggle it in there. In there. That's good. Put one on the top and the bottom too. There it is. Yeah, that's about right. Oops. My pin kind of squashed there. There we go. That one in too. Just gotta take your time. Don't want to break the glass while you're working on it. Go. And get that one in too. And now, got it. Nice and firm. There it is. Looks good. Yep, looks good. Okay. Now, I'm ready to do some caulking. Now, to do the caulking, I find if you start out with caulking and don't cut the hole in the end of the tube very big, you're going to be better off. So I got a small hole in there. I'm going to go around the frame now, get it all caulked in. I got a little corner crack right here. I think what I'm going to do is just maybe fill that in a bit. The old-time glass is very expensive. If you go buy the old wavy glass, and I got a couple cracks in there too. Is that taken care of? It may not look the best, but it's going to work. I'm a strong believer in recycling. There we go. Up here too. go. Some up here also. See, it's a little bit messy, but I've got a wet rag here with me so I can clean it up as I go. I would probably never make a professional window glazer, that's for sure. Might take too long. There we go. Get the pressure off the gun so it doesn't keep oozing out. Take my O.L.O.T.I knife, all around the edges, get it smoothed out. I'm going to go back and dress all this up, and that takes a few minutes, so I'm not going to keep the video running for it, but anyway, this is kind of the way it's done. That's the beginning of it, and I'll show you what it's going to look like when I get it all dressed up and cleaned up and finished up. It's going to look better. I'll get back with you in a couple minutes. Where's the others? Huh? Where's your buddies? Is there just two of you left? Huh? Is there just two of you left? Oh no. Hope you didn't lose some of your buddies. No. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me touch you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. You guys are beautiful. Gosh, you are beautiful. What pretty chickens. Yes, what pretty chickens. Yeah. Orange feet and gray feet. Yeah. Yeah. Orange foot and gray foot. Yeah. Yeah. How are you guys, huh? How are you guys? Oh, you such pretty chickens. Yeah, you pretty chickens. Yes, you are. You pretty chickens. Yes, you are.